Shinshiv, Smisha Gillespie Machgerigish. I'm Gillespie Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach, here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. Today I'm out walking, or we are out walking. Shinna coo rackham. She mahith. Hashinya koshach. We're walking up to this place. She Doonahown. Dún Suladil. Dun Suladil in English. And that's a good example of a word that people mispronounce. In fact, two words. Us and bro. Or dún. So, Hashinya koshach. So that double N. What I hear very often is Hashinna koshach. Like people are talking about their leg. Shin. But the word is not shin, it's sheen. It's longer with that double letter and it's got that closed, very palatal N sound. Sheen. And it runs into the verbal noun walking. Hashinya koshach. Hashinya koshach. And the word for fort or a broch is dún. Dún. What I often hear instead is dún, dún, with a kind of subtle diphthong, but it's a very pure vowel. So, shoshin, ik dún sulatal, hashinya koshach. For more tips on how to get rid of English sounds from your Scottish Gaelic, subscribe to my channel.